In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. The believer must not believe they are a permanent slave to their habits. They must not accept a life chained to the fleeting pleasures of this world. You feel that emptiness, don't you? That restless anxiety after the screen goes dark, after the indulgence is over? You chase a moment of relief, only to find yourself in a deeper state of pain, needing more just to feel normal. This is the lie of your lower self, the Nafs, promising you paradise in a poisoned cup. It is a cycle designed by man to distract you from your purpose, a vortex of consumption that leaves your soul hollow. But Allah has given you the key to break these chains. Everything is possible when you decide to turn back to Him. The solution is not to add another pleasure, another distraction. The solution is to fast. Not just a fast of the stomach, but a fast of the soul, a fast from the behaviors and substances that have become your masters. You must believe in the power of this spiritual reset. But this journey requires one thing before all else: radical, uncompromising honesty with yourself, as if you are standing before your Lord on the day of account. This is your Muhasabah. You must become a witness against your own soul. For 1 week, you will not estimate, you will not guess. You will write down every minute, every morsel, every click that pulls you away from what you are meant to be. You will look at the cold, hard data of your life and see the true cost of your habits. The lost time with your family, the neglected prayers, the corrosion of your health, the moments of shame. Then you will plan your fast. You will choose a date and commit to at least 4 weeks of abstinence. Know this: the first 2 weeks will feel like a fire. Your nafs will scream. It will rationalize. It will bargain. It will tell you this is pointless. This is the withdrawal. This is the purification. This is the moment you must engage in Muraqabah, the act of watching your own thoughts without being swept away by them. See the cravings for what they are, mere whispers, fleeting clouds in the sky of your mind. They have no real power unless you give it to them. And you will not fight this battle with willpower alone, for that is the sign of the arrogant. You will use the wisdom Allah has given you. You will practice self-binding. You will create barriers between you and your weakness. Delete the app. Leave the credit card at home. Unplug the console. This is not a lack of faith. This is tying your camel. While you are fasting from these false pleasures, you must intentionally embrace productive difficulty. This is your Zuhd, your asceticism. You will replace mindless scrolling with reading the Quran, even when it's hard. You will replace overeating with mindful exercise. You will stand in prayer. You will take a cold shower. You will feel the discomfort, and in that discomfort, you will find your strength. You are pressing on the pain side of the balance to find true, lasting pleasure in your connection to Allah. Because after you have done the work, after you have taken all the means, after you have fought the battle against your own self, then comes the most powerful step of all. You rely. You practice tawakkul. You let go of the outcome and you place your complete trust in the one who is in control of all things. For He has promised you in His glorious book, and His promise is true. And whoever relies upon Allah, He is sufficient for him.